added some grow lights to the greenhouse today, or yesterday actually, and put in a timer, turn them on early morning for a few hours, and then turn them off for the main time of the day when the sun's out, and then turn them on again at the evening hours. And this will help these plants which have been suffering from lack of light during these winter short days. This tray here has some cucumbers, some Swiss chard, and some red Russian kale grown in it. Just started these today. They're going to be pepper seeds, jalapeno and bell peppers, and get things going. The greenhouse is coming together really nicely. We have everything done. We have all the fans in now. We have a furnace in, which is a propane blue flame burner. Have storage bins here for water to retain the heat. In the raised bed we have some lettuce and Swiss chard growing there, and bok choy, Chinese cabbage. We have some spinach, romaine lettuce, and black-seeded Simpson lettuce. And I added a couple buckets down here, the 3-gallon buckets, and I currently have cucumber seeds coming up in them. I don't know if those are going to work, but we're going to give it a try. But all in all, the greenhouse is looking really nice, and it's pleasant in here today. It's 78 degrees. It's currently 33 outside, so that's a good temperature rise. I brought my bokashi buckets into the greenhouse, and I'm back to bokashi composting for the winter months. And again, there's the grow lights that I installed. They're suspended from the rafters to keep the plants growing during the short winter days.